IP, Internet Protocol. IP uses packets called IP packets to carry information. Every IP packet is a single unit of information, and besides data, it carries information to determine where to send the packet. As you can see here, the computer with IP address 192.168.11.1 is sending packets to computer with IP address 192.168.11. IP determines where to send packets to by looking at the destination IP address. Some of its characteristics are: operates at the network layer of the OSI model. Connectionless protocol. IP itself does not set up a connection. In order to transport data, you need the transport layer and use TCP or UDP. Every packet is treated independently. There is no order in which the packets are arriving at their destination. An IP address is 32-bit and consists of two parts, the network part and the host part. The IP address is 32-bit, but we write it down in 4 blocks of 8 bits. 8 bits is what we call a byte. So the IP address will look like this. The network part will tell us to which network the IP address will belong. You can compare this to the city or area code of a phone number. The host part uniquely identifies the network device. These are like the last digits of your phone number. You probably have seen the IP address 192.168.1.1 before. It's a very commonly used IP address on local networks. For this IP address, the first 3 bytes are the network address and the last byte is the host address. Let's take a look at an actual IP packet. Protocol. Here, you will find which protocol we are using on top of IP. This is how we specify which transport layer protocol we are using. So you'll find TCP, UDP, or perhaps something else in here. Source address. Here, you will find the IP address of the device that created this IP packet. Destination address. This is the IP address of the device that should receive the IP packet. Data. This is the actual data that we are trying to get to the other side. Let's take another look at an IP address, 192.168.1.1. What do we know about this IP address? First of all, we know it's a 32-bit value. So in binary, it will look like this. Now this is a number that is not very human-friendly, so to make our life easier, we can at least put this number into blocks of 8 bits. 8 bits is also called a byte or an octet. We can convert each byte into decimal. Convert it from binary to decimal using the following table. Here we have worked on first byte, that is 192. Second byte, that is 168. Third byte, that is 1. And last, fourth byte, that is 1. This gives us our IP, that was 192.168 own. Pause the video and carefully take a look at the conversion.